Welcome to this demo video of ContentStudio. In this video, I'm going to talk about different features and modules we have in this platform. When you log in, you will see this dashboard with a quick overview of how many profiles, how many blogs and topics you have set up, along with the recent activity shown on the left-hand side on your dashboard. So let's talk about the first module, which is discovery. So as the name suggests, you will be able to discover content in this module. In the left panel, we have menus for suggestions, quick topics, my topics, and favorite folders. On top, we have a quick search feature that you can use to search by a keyword or a domain. In this right panel, you can see content according to your selected topic or category. For example, I'm going to select one of the topics and you can see the content that is according to that topic. Moreover, you can discover content from websites around the world, YouTube, Dailymotion, Facebook, Twitter, Flickr, Imager, Jiffy, and Pixabay. And we have various filters to sort content according to your needs, and you can sort it by time. You can also discover content from different regions and in different languages. If you don't like the grid view, you can change it to list view as well. Each piece of content has certain details such as its social engagement data on various social networks, and right now this content is sorted by recent, so I'm going to sort it by most shared. Then it will show me the most shared content on the top. So this way you can figure out which content is being most shared on your topic. It also calculates trending score for the content that is trending right now, and as you can see, this is the trending content right now on the web. Similarly, you can see trending content on YouTube, on Dailymotion, and all of the other networks. Now there are various actions that you can perform with this content. For example, you can share it on your blog. That includes sharing it on WordPress and Tumblr. We are adding support for more CMS as well. You can share this content on social channels. From here you can select the profiles that are connected with ContentStudio. And as you can see that you can set different message for different social media networks, along with the ability to automatically shorten your links. And with our image editor, you can enhance the images with a few clicks. So there are lots of filters available that you can quickly apply to your images, and you can even create memes for your images. Also, you can see the preview of your post on different social networks, and you can quickly analyze how it's going to look when you publish it to different social media networks. And you get relevant hashtag suggestions that you can quickly add by clicking the button. And once you're okay with the settings of the post, you can either publish it instantly or you can schedule it for a later date and time. You can select date and time. One cool feature is that you can set it to repeat post after a specific number of days, weeks or months to give more visibility to your content. Alright, so that was about social media sharing. So the next actions you can perform are that you can view stats of this post. You can see detailed history of engagement. You can preview full article right here without any ads or any other obstruction. And if you want to go to the original website, you can go from here. You can report if the article is broken in any way. You can save this article to your Pocket account as well if you want, and you can add it to your favorites folder that will be available here. So when you save it to your favorite folders, you can use it at a later stage during composing a post. Similarly, you can see what content is trending on other networks, for example YouTube, Dailymotion, Facebook, Twitter. As you can see, this content is trending on YouTube in United States right now. You can change your country from here as well. Similarly, we got covered Dailymotion, and we have got Facebook as well. You can see these are the posts that are trending in United States right now. You can see link post status, links, photos, and videos. So these are some of the videos that are popular on Facebook right now. You can either post them to your blog, you can reshare them on social networks, you can see the stats, you can preview them, or you can save to Pocket as well. Similarly, you can find what's trending on Twitter. So these are the trends on Twitter right now worldwide, but if you want trends for a specific country, you can change your country from here as well. So for example, if you want to see what people are tweeting about Djokovic, then you can click on that trend and it will bring all the latest tweets for that trend. In the same manner, we have got some image tools, for example Flickr, Imager, Giphy and Pixabay. These are the platforms, image discovery platforms, and you can discover trending content, or you can discover images related to your keyword or your topic as well. Now let's talk a little bit about topics. Although we have quick topics listed over here with some predefined topics, which you can see here, but if you want to create your own topic, you can do that easily. You can filter the content of your topic by keywords or domains that you want. Also, you can restrict certain keywords and domain by adding them to these exclude keywords or exclude domains list. Once the topic is saved, you can access it under My Topics, and now it will keep monitoring for new content relevant to your keywords and domains that you have added in the topic. We have got another cool feature here as well, that if you want to see detailed insights of a domain or a Facebook page, you can do that as well. For example, you can see Alexa rank, you can see monthly visitors, average page per visit, average visitor duration, what's the bounce rate, number of articles posted by this website, some other performance indicators, engagement stats. You can see traffic per country, you can see their traffic sources. For example, for this website 57% comes from search, and you can see their social engagement metrics, you can see their article publication frequency, and if you want to see all of the articles published by this website, you can do that as well from this link. You get similar kind of stats for Facebook pages as well, that I'm not going to show over here because of limited time availability, because I'm going to take you to the next module, and that is Composer. In the Composer module, you are presented with two options, either to compose a blog post or a social media post. Now let's first go ahead with the blog post. This is the smart editor where you can compose your blog post, and that goes directly to your WordPress or Tumblr blogs. You can add your title here, your WordPress meta description here, or your body content that you can add over here. In the body content, you can add images, text, videos, or anything else you want. To add a text, you have to click this button and you have to type the text. And if you want to style differently, you can select the content that you want to style, and you can even bold it, underline, italic, you can make it a headline, and there are lots of other styling options available. Similarly, you can upload images by using this button, and once you have different sections, you can move them up and down like this, and you can add new sections in between this as well. Now this is where it gets more cooler. We provide you with content suggestions in this right panel. You can search for articles, you can search for videos on YouTube, Dailymotion, you can search for images on Flickr, you can get GIFs on Imager, Giphy, Pixabay is for images. They provide you free Creative Commons images, and you can even connect your Pocket account and get content from your Pocket, and you can use it in this Composer. Now if you have made a search with a keyword and if you've liked any piece of content, you can simply drag it and drop it in the editor, and it will be automatically added it to the editor, and you can even style it however you want. You can rewrite it, or you can add more text in there. You can even change the image, you can even change the alignment of image, or if you want this section to be without image, you can do that as well. So there are certain options that we have already added in there. Now if you want to add a video, you can simply change the network. It will be searched with the same keyword, and then you can add a video that you like in the editor. So this way you can compose quick blog posts using different article snippets, videos and relevant images. You can compose a quick weekly roundup post, or you can compose review posts, or you can compose any kind of post you want. So the composer section makes it extremely easy for you to compose a new and quick blog post. Another feature we have provided in Composer is that you get SEO optimization toolbox. As you compose your blog post, this toolbox analyzes your title, your meta description and your content in your body area, and it gives you relevant suggestions that what you need to make to your page title, or to your page description, to your headings, to your main content, or any other miscellaneous settings. So this way you can compose quick blog posts that are not only good to read, but they are good for search engines as well, and they rank better in search engines in quick time. Okay, now let's go back and compose a social media post. This is similar to what we did in Discovery, except that you can create a post from scratch. Like you can write your own message or anything that you want to share with your audience. Or another thing that you can do is you can use content suggestions from this right panel in the form of article links, videos and images, and select social media accounts where you want that piece of content to go, and simply drag and drop it in the social composer box, and you can see a nicely formatted post is there. You can even add your own message over here. We have removed the message for Facebook because according to Facebook guidelines you cannot pre-populate text in the message box. Also you can change this title and description of the post that goes to social media accounts. Now let's move on to the next module, which is automation. The core purpose of this module is to create and manage automated campaigns that post to your social or blogging channels on complete autopilot. Here you can set up campaigns with your own rules, and it will keep posting content that you want to have on your social media blogging channels according to the schedule you have set. Now let's take a look inside a campaign that is already running, so that you can see what kind of settings or rules you can set up. You can choose between content type for articles or videos. You can select your social channel where this content goes to. You can add include keywords, include domains, exclude keywords, or exclude domains. For example, for this campaign there are only two keywords, that is content curation or content marketing. So if there's any post that is related to content curation or content marketing, it will be automatically posted to the selected social channels. Similarly, you can select post length, you can select the region of post, you can select language, you can select post age, minimum social engagement, and in the step 4 you can set up the type of schedule you want. It can be recurring, or you can set it to some custom days and time. You can also set for how many days of content do you want to prefetch, so that you can review it before it gets published on your channel. Now let's see what we've got in the planner module. This is a way you can view all of your published or scheduled posts in two different views, that is calendar view and list view. You can select any channel to view what content is scheduled and what is published. Also, you want to if you want to edit any post, you can do that as well from here. So now let's take a look at the list view, and it's showing me the posts that are scheduled for 7th June, for 8th June, and so on. Similarly, I can see what content has been published to my channels. So if I want to edit any content, I can do that from here. So that's it for now. There are lots of features that I may have missed to explain in this video, and lots of new upcoming features that we are working on. We keep our audience informed about the changes on changelog.contentstudio.io, and if you have any idea for a feature that we should implement, then you can list it on ideas.contentstudio.io. For queries, you can talk to us on the chat widget on our website or send an email to support@contentstudio.io. Hope to have you on board, and thanks for watching this video.